Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Passion, My Life, Hi-Fi. Here I come with the easy, healthy and simple version of pasta. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.
What we are going to do for today's dinner?
We are going to make two different pasta. One is white sauce pasta and the other is red sauce pasta.
Let's get started. First let us heat a pan. Add some water in it. Allow it to boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I am going to add a tablespoon of oil and required salt for the pasta to cook. Now I am going to add 2 packets of pasta in it. We have to cook according to the instruction given on the packets. It varies from brand to brand. I am using a wheat pasta. Let's do this recipe with a tint or healthy version in it. So I have chose wheat pasta. Now the pasta is cooked. To check that, I am going to cut into 2 pieces. It should be smooth enough to cut. So now it is ready. So we have to drain the water. Today I am going to do a easy and simple version. If we have kept all the ingredients ready, hardly it will take 15 minutes to do this pasta. Now I am keeping the pasta under the cold tap water. This prevents the pasta from sticking with each other. Let's make some red sauce. Take a pressure cooker. I'm going to add 2 tomatoes, garlic, onions and red chilli. Add some water and I'm going to pressure cook this and allow it for 4 to 5 whistles. Rather than getting outside pizza and pasta sauce, it is very simple step to make this red sauce at home and it is healthy version too. What we are getting outside will have the preservatives, so to avoid that and make it into healthy version, I will teach you how to do the red sauce in a simpler way. Add required salt and water and pressure cook it. We should allow it to have 4 to 5 whistles. So by the time we'll make our white sauce ready. For that we will heat a pan. Now I'm going to take butter. When the pan is hot, add 2 tablespoons of butter in it. The butter and maida what we are adding should be of equal proportion. The butter should melt completely. Like so. Now it is ready. So keep it in the low flame. Add 2 tablespoons of maida in it. Now we have to roast the maida nicely in the butter. The maida should be roasted properly and it should turn into a creamy yellowish in color. Now we are going to add 2 cups of boiled milk into it. But don't add all together, little by little you have to add and mix. Make sure there should not be any lump formation in it. How much creamy you want, you can add that much milk in it. Keep the flame in low and give a good mixture. Allow the maida to get boiled properly in the milk. It takes hardly 2 to 3 minutes and you will get the texture as shown. Now our white sauce is ready. Let's see how to do white sauce pasta. So heat a pan, add a tablespoon of butter, allow it to melt. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil too. This is optional. Now I am adding garlic into it. Allow it to roast properly. Now I am going to add the white sauce what we have prepared. Give a good mix. Keep it in the low flame. Add the pasta into it. I am going to add pepper. As Trishi won't have much spicy, I am going to add little pepper. And to make it some more creamy, I am adding extra milk too. Add required salt in it. To enhance the Italian flavor, I am going to add some Italian seasoning to it. This is a mixed herbs. So I am going to give a good stir. Then comes my favorite part. I am going to add grated cheese. So I am going to close with the lid and allow it to melt. By the time, let's see what happened to our red sauce. This got nicely pressure cooked. So I am going to take all the pressure cooked vegetables and I am going to add into a mixer. Now I have blended without adding any water. So I had transferred it into a pan and I am going to boil it under medium flame. Now add little ketchup into it. So that we will get the sauce consistency. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. Then I am going to close it, allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, let's check our white sauce pasta. Yes, it is ready. Now I am going to transfer it to a bowl. Creamy, yummy white sauce pasta is ready. Try this, your kids going to love it. To make it rich, I am going to add some more cheese on it. White sauce pasta is one of my daughter's favorite recipe. See how simple to do this. Please try it. Your kids going to fall in love towards it. Yummy! Meanwhile, our red sauce is also ready. So let's get started with our red sauce pasta. Heat the pan, add butter, allow the butter to melt. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Let's add some garlic, roast it properly. Now 1 big onion, next some green capsicum. If you have other colors, you can add that too. As I have green capsicum, I have added only green capsicum. Add required salt. Give a good stir. When the vegetables are ready, now we are going to add half the amount of the red sauce which we have prepared. I am going to add some pepper, little chili powder, now I am going to add the pasta into it and give a good mix. This red sauce and white sauce you can prepare and you can store it inside your fridge for 3 to 4 days. Now I am going to add the rest of the sauce to it. Now we can add cheese into it. Then close the pasta and allow it to melt for 2 to 3 minutes. That's it, our red sauce pasta is also ready. If you keep all the ingredients ready, it will hardly take 15 minutes to do this 2 different styles of pasta. Please try it, it is very simple. You can serve it with sauce and the seasoning. Healthy version of restaurant style pasta is ready at your home. Come on, without any further wait, try this and give your family a healthy version of a delicious treat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Bye.